Hello, welcome to Suggested Books. The two books I have chosen to suggest are the Robert Hobson book and The Little Girl. These are both by a German author named Otfried Preußler. He comes from Germany, as I just pointed out. I'll read the blurb of the Robert Hobson plot first. The Robert Hobson plot. The wicked Robert Hobson plot was the terror of the village. Whatever he wanted he stole. He was always armed with a sword at his belt with 7 knives. Then he took grandmother's musical coffee mill, Casper the Settle. He had to do something about it, but the ingenious plan misfired and Robert Hobson plot captured them both. When Casper was sold to the great magician Petrosilius Zackelman, there seemed no way of disentangling himself from such a fate. Very good book. By the way, they were both published in 1966. The second one is The Little Girl. This is obviously a newer version of the book. I'll read the blurb now. The little girl slept in an old oak chest in a cobweb corner of an attic in an old castle. He was one of those harmless little ghosts who haunted places by night and never hurt anyone unless they are provoked. He enjoyed haunting, but he did so wish he could see the town by day instead of by night. Then one day it happened, but town by daylight is no place for little white ghosts. There's the book. They both are in the book. I just flipped through this one. In this one the kids go on about being the president of some North which I think is now Neville, I have no idea. This one. As you can see, there's quite a few pictures, so it's like you compare looking at pictures and the words, and some pictures quite a lot of words too. Thank you for watching.